Hey guys, we're down here checking out the Jeep concept vehicles here at Easter Jeep Safari 2019. A number of these caught our eye, and one of the first ones was Project Flat Bill here. This thing is really cool and also sporting some JKS parts. So this Jeep is, 40-inch tires, got a nice 4-inch coilover conversion. This is really set up for you kind of extreme sports kind of guys. We got a couple dirt bikes in the back. Really a cross between an overlanding rig and an extreme crawler. Check this thing out. I'm a vintage Jeep guy. I had CJs, all kinds of stuff like that. This scrambler is absolutely pulling at my heartstrings. This harkens back to the 80s and the scramblers that were built. And to be honest with you, if I get a personal Gladiator, it's going to be built in this motif. So just the graphics, the lines, the roll bar in the bed, we got some 37s on here. This is just a fantastic example of a great throwback vehicle with all the modern amenities. The reason why we love the Gladiator so much. All right, so check this thing out, the ultimate overlanding rig as built by Jeep. These Gladiators make great overlanding rigs. I mean, we got jerry cans, there's a full bar, everything is on this thing. If I was gonna hit the backcountry for a couple of weeks, couple of months, or even a long weekend, this is the rig I would absolutely wanna be rolling in. 37-inch tires, all the capabilities of a Gladiator and a JL rolled in together. This thing is an absolute beast. All right, so here are Project Gravity. This is another amazing example of how Jeep takes care of us Jeep enthusiasts. This has got pretty much everything that Mopar offers for the Jeep, well, really the JL, but in this case, the Gladiator. And again, it is really great how they take care of us enthusiasts at every level. They know what we want to do with their vehicles. They've got the components and products ready to buy right now. You've got your Fox shocks on there, which of course we absolutely love. We've got a 35-inch tire here, and this thing is just ready to play. All right, guys, so here we are. This is Jeep. Now they've been nice to us. Now they're being mean. They're teasing us. All right, when the Gladiator concepts first came out and everything was being shown, I think I saw this actual Jeep posted on Facebook a million times. This is what people wanted. This is the J6. This is a short bed, 2-door Gladiator. I am 100% sure that us enthusiasts are going to convert the 4-door Gladiator. There's going to be things that happen. This thing is amazing. 37-inch tires, Fox shocks, roll bar accessory. This thing is killer. I just absolutely love this Jeep. We got some throwback badges on it. Again, Jeep, if you're listening, stop teasing, guys. We'll take this one too. We love the 4-door. We can't wait to have it. We'll take this one too. All right, this one here, this is for you hardcore race fans here. If you follow Ultra 4 racing, you know that this Jeep finished the King of the Hammers with Robbie Gordon at the wheel. It was running the stock class at that time. Obviously, somebody's made some changes. We got trailing arms, we got coilovers and bypasses, all the best that Fox Racing has to provide on this Gladiator. This has got to be the most modified Gladiator on the planet right now, and maybe for quite a long time. All right, guys, so here is Project 5-quarter. This is a M715 vintage Jeep. We love our vintage Jeeps, and this one is mean. We've got the Hellcrate engine under the hood, supercharged, ready to roll, and details everywhere on this Jeep. I mean, we've got a carved out tailgate. The entire bed is carved out, hand fabricated. This thing is just ridiculous. Check out the details on this monster. That's a look at this year's 2019 Easter Jeep Safari Concepts from Jeep. Always so thankful that Jeep is so involved in our aftermarket and enthusiast level Jeeping. So great to see these guys. Be sure to check them out on your own, and thanks for following along at JKS Manufacturing.